As a kid, I always avoided eating brinjals, but my mother, she somehow always found a way to make us eat them. This is one of her special recipes, and trust me, you won't stop at just one bite. Start by washing the brinjals and make 4 slits just like this. Soak them in salt water while we prepare the stuffing. For the stuffing, take dry roasted coconut, a handful of groundnuts, garlic, ginger, and fresh coriander. Grind this coarsely. To this, add chopped onions, basic spices like turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, tamarind paste, jaggery, fresh coriander, and salt to taste. Mix everything well and generously stuff the brinjals. Once you do that, you have to heat a kadai and add a simple tadka of mustard seeds and curry leaves. Place the stuffed brinjals in and cover and cook. This method helps them to cook faster with very little oil. Every 5 minutes, gently turn the brinjals so that they cook evenly on all sides. Once done, add the remaining stuffing and some boiling water. Cover and cook until the masala is well cooked. Garnish with fresh coriander and enjoy with roti or rice. Do give this recipe a try, and if you loved it, like, share, and subscribe for more such recipes.